So this video is for a GMC Sierra 2014 for the cigarette lighter. It goes right here. I think I put something on there that blew the fuse or whatever. It's fixed right now, but at the time I didn't know if I had to replace the actual socket in there or what. And I couldn't find the fuse, and I couldn't find no videos out there, and so I figure I'll make a video for anybody that's looking to fix it. I will show you where the fuse is located and what kind of fuse it needs, and basically it's for this fuse right here, for the cigarette lighter, whatever you guys want to call it. And hope this helps somebody out, and I'll show you guys right now. For the cigarette lighter, the fuse for that will be this one right here in the corner. That one. I couldn't find it in the owner's manual for this truck, and had to go through messing around right here, and I ended up finding it over here, which was this one, number 15. Had to order it online because I couldn't find it in the automotive stores here, like an Auto and stuff like that. So it's it's called the FMM15 automotive fuse. Got it from Amazon. 15. And you can see this works again. So hopefully this helps anybody out there that had the same truck or same issue as me with the GMC Sierra 2014 cigarette lighter that don't work. Give it a like, and thank you for watching.